Monday, June 9th. I just pulled into the yard here at the end of the day, and surprise, surprise, we've got a new swamp buggy here in the yard, or Muskeg Tractor, what do you want to call it? And how did this end up coming here?
This one here, I had completely serviced it, and I done the brakes on it.
Okay.
On the drums, the steering brakes. You can see here where I cut this all out.
Yeah.
This is just screwed in, eh?
Okay.
The same thing, that way I could get the fuel tank out.
Yeah.
And get into the steering clutches.
Okay.
So there's new steering clutch bands, new oil. The tracks are like new. But what I'm going to do is, these are oil hubs. I'm going to clean it up and redo all the hubs on the wheels.
Okay.
And we're going to put
new windows.
New glass in. I don't know if I can get this done or not, but all this glass that's cracked,
yeah,
is going to be replaced, and new seats.
Okay.
And this was just put in there so they don't get a bunch of brush in.
Yeah.
The motor is perfect. I'm going to put new fuel filters, new rad hoses, and all that kind of stuff.
Okay, what kind of motor is it? Do you know?
This is a Perkins 4-cylinder.
Okay.
Diesel.
Diesel. Yeah. Okay.
And new air breather, and I'm gonna fix it up like new.
So this belongs to one of our customers, and I guess the deal is we fix it, and then we sell it for them. Yeah. And so this is project number 3 here for the summer of 2025. Dad has the blue 1952 Bombardier in the shop, being sanded down, and then we have the Muskeg Tractor that is still being worked on at the same time. So this is the 3rd project here.
This one's going to get rad redone.
Okay.
And the exhaust changed so that it's going up.
Okay.
And then body work, like all this off.
Yeah.
Sanded, repainted.
Okay. So
this got a high output heater in it.
Okay. Now, is this the exact same that we have in here, or is this a different brand or model?
It's exactly the same thing, only this is diesel.
Okay.
And it's a standard shift with
yeah.
clutch.
Okay.
Mine is going to be gas with a shifter on the dash.
Okay. So we'll take a quick gander on the inside here.
That's the gear shift here. This is forward reverse, and that one's from 1 to 4 for speed. Eh?
Okay.
Do you want to hear it run?
Sure. If it'll start. Oh, she is starting. Well, there you go. Got her. Good. So Dad's going to go fully through this machine, and he is going to go from top to bottom and front to back, and we're going to get this cleaned up and repaired, and we're going to then sell it for the customer. I guess it's just a piece of equipment in their fleet they no longer want, but they realize they're not going to be able to get top dollar unless they actually sell this. They got to do the repairs, and I'm just going to take a quick gander.
A new shut-off cable.
Yeah. Okay.
Come to this side, I'll show you. When you turn the key off, that there's no electric, but this is the shut-off button right here.
Okay.
I'll put a new one in.
Okay. So
fix these door handles. So
yeah.
Properly.
Okay, so these look like all solid wheels here, guys.
Wheels.
That's what you guys want.
And these are oil hub.
What's the oil hub? Point that out.
You take the plug out and put oil in all these.
Oh, okay.
4 there, 4 inside. So
Is-
we have to jack it up about that high so we can get in to service it properly.
Okay, so there you go. So as you can see, there's grass and dirt and leaves and whatever else. Dad's going to get all that cleaned up before he gets in there. So it's been sitting for a while, but it starts up. Dad's initial walk around shows it's good, but those windows need to be replaced. Just going to open the door here again, and I'm going to get that picture of that tag.
There's no tag in.
I saw the tag.
Oh,
Right there is the tag. So it is an MT-74.
1974.
Yeah, and yeah, that's all we know. MT-74. So there we go, and
It's got a circulating heater. The engine had been done.
okay,
It's got a, like rebuilt, eh?
yeah,
It's got a circulating heater, so if it's 40 below, you plug it in for 2 hours, it'll go.
okay,
And that's a high output cab heater.
okay. You gonna keep that one, or
No, I got to put the same thing in mine
yeah,
because to keep the windows clean, you need high output.
yeah.
Most of them had a little.
So not only we're gonna have Dad's for sale, but once this is fixed as well,
Well, they have a choice,
Yeah.
diesel or gas.
exactly.
And you can see here, when I done it a couple of years ago, I painted red where the grease nipples are, so everything is greased.
Okay. So yeah, exciting day, and this will take Dad easily into September now. So if you have Bombardier service, you got to get into the lineup now, guys, because winter will be right around the corner for us after these 3 pieces of equipment. And
And I'm going to be 83 in 2 weeks, so
yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know how much.
June 27th, Dad is going to be 83. So you guys have got to get in here. Says he's going till 90, but
Not a day later.
there you go. So yeah, it's yeah, an exciting new day here, new project. I'm sure you guys are going to like this, and I'm excited we got another piece of work coming into the yard, because one is not paying, and we'll then have 2 paying jobs here. And yeah, guys, this is another glorious day at the shop, and we'll see you on the next video. Where's Papa? Did Papa abandon you? Hey? Everybody got their treats. Kitty's on patrol. Emily looks like she went for a swim. Charles didn't move from the front. He's good. Oh yeah, my kids. Oh, my kids. Yeah, this kid too.